Esparto fireworks explosion aftermath. Tonight, the state attorney general says he will not take over the Esparto fireworks blast investigation. Thanks for joining us here for your news at 6 on this Monday. I'm Tony Lopez.
And I'm Marley Ginter. That announcement comes as the Yolo County public health officer is also declaring a local health emergency on the properties where that deadly blast happened. In tonight's Politics at Large, Steve is live in Esparto for us with what the declaration means. Steve.
And it's been more than a month since that deadly blast. And here's what it looks like right now. Still a debris field of twisted metal on this charred land. And here's a close-up look at one of the metal pieces all twisted. A close-up look at what has been left behind here. Also now this new investigation into the possible health risks from this explosion. These massive chunks of mangled metal still sitting untouched after the Esparto fireworks blast, eerie reminders of the death toll that left this community in shock July 1st. Now it's the land, water, and air on these properties that have become part of a probe by the Yolo County Health Department.
I have never declared a local health emergency related to a fireworks explosion.
Dr. Amy Sisson is the Yolo County Public Health Director. This is her first declared public health emergency in Yolo County. The emergency declaration triggers help from state and federal agencies with funding for testing and, if needed, cleanup.
We don't know what is in the air, the soil, or the water at the site. We do know that fireworks themselves contain hazardous materials in the form of heavy metals, oxidizing agents like perchlorate.
Also new, State Attorney General Rob Bonta is denying a request from the Yolo County Board of Supervisors asking him to oversee the criminal investigation into the blast. In a response to supervisors, the AG's office states, "We are confident CAL FIRE is able to conduct a complete, thorough, and unbiased investigation."
We've taken steps from day one to make sure that we can maintain the integrity of this case.
State Fire Marshal Daniel Berlant spoke to CBS 13 in July about leading the investigation. At this time, no one is facing any criminal charges. A Yolo County Sheriff's Lieutenant owned the property, and an Esparto volunteer firefighter worked on the property.
We are still working to build the case, interviewing witnesses as we speak, working to analyze the evidence that was collected.
This Yolo County community rocked by a devastating explosion. Now, along with the criminal investigation, a public health probe to determine if it also left this land polluted. And another live look here in Esparto at that blast location, still sitting almost left in time right now. The Yolo County supervisors are going to be ratifying this emergency health declaration tomorrow. They want this testing of the land to be done before the rainy season arrives.